Hi guys, it's Squishy Boba Forever. Today I'm going to be making this Warawara Squishy from The Boy and the Heron. To start off, I'm going to be cutting this memory foam mattress topper to my desired size. And then I'm going to round off the corners so it looks kind of like a potato. I just roughly shaped this for now so it's not the smoothest. And if you look at my table, you can see all the memory foam scraps. You can save these scrap pieces to make paper squishies. Now I'm going to use a pair of sharper scissors to smooth out my squishy a bit more. To get your squishy really smooth, you want to cut really small snips. As you can see, the scrap foam this time around is much smaller and finer compared to the first time. And then I'm going to shape out 4 dome shapes for the arms and the legs. Now that all the pieces are ready, I'm going to glue these together with puffy paint. I get a lot of questions asking if you can use any other type of paint. In my experience, I haven't come across any paint that's better than puffy paint. Any other paint I've tried always end up cracking in the long run, so I highly recommend using puffy paint for making squishies. So I did 3 layers of puffy paint to seal in all the holes. And to finish this off, I'm going to draw this really cute smiley face. And here's the finished Warawara Squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!